Alright, I have a 2008 Lexus GX470. Pretty much complaining about the AC. There's a hissing sound. Also, when you try to turn on the AC, it doesn't turn on. What I mean by that is that there's no air coming out. So we're gonna change the blower motor for that. And when he's increasing the speed of the fan and the fan is just stuck up into just one speed, that is a blower motor resistor. So we're gonna replace both. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace them. The location of the blower motor is gonna be on the passenger side. So the fan, the blower motor, should be at the bottom of the glove box. There's a couple bolts that we need to remove. There's one field screw, or that's a 10. We're gonna remove the bottom panel of the glove box, passenger side. You could use either the field screw, or it looks like it's a 10 bolt. All right. Take that out, set it aside. Then you can just pull this. They're all holded by retainers, so just with that one bolt we gotta take it out. Then we have a couple of harnesses that we need to remove. So just press the tab, pull the plug. Same thing on this one. On the top one, there's tab is right here in the middle. Do the same thing on the last one. Make sure that you do not forget about these sensors when putting it back together. We take these out, remove it, because we need that space. Okay, so let's talk about these modules. This is the four-wheel drive control module. The one right next to it, the red one, is the tire pressure monitor module. So just pointing that out. Okay, now we're gonna be removing the blower motor fan and the blower motor resistor. The resistor, this is the blower motor resistor. We're gonna remove that harness. Just press the tab here, pull the plug. There's 4 pins, remember that. This is the plug for the blower motor. Press it on the side, pull the plug, okay. Then set it aside so that it doesn't interfere with our space. The resistor has 2 screwdrivers that you need to remove, which is why I use a screwdriver from the very beginning. So I'm gonna find the parts. I'm gonna link the parts on my description if you guys want to buy them. Okay, there's another one here on the corner. Okay, and then just pull it down. There you go. This is how you remove the blower resistor or 2008 Lexus GX470 and the blower motor. There, I believe there's a couple bolts, couple screwdrivers. If screwdriver doesn't work, it's either 10 or 8 bolt. Keep that in mind. That's the second bolt. The third one should be like, I know there's 3 bolts that's holding it. Right here in the middle, on the back side though. And then just pull it down That's it. Part number, see, this is a Denso. Alright, I'm gonna order the parts and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got the new blower resistor motor. We're gonna install it first. It's gonna be facing out like this. Okay, the middle portion is gonna be inside of the housing. So push it in. Oh man, this is interesting. There you go. So just in case you just had the same problem as I did, what I did was I just push this edge, this corner a little bit, so that it'll give me a room to put the entire resistor, because for some reason it won't go in and this thing was on the way. So yep, that's how I overcome that problem. So to install this one, there's 2 bolts, one on each side. Make sure make sure that the resistor is snug and it doesn't wobble, and just plug it in. Remember, there's 4 pins, so yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna install the blower motor. For the blower motor, there's 3 bolts. Yes, for the blower motor, there's 3 bolts. Is 1, 2, and 3. This is the new one. This portion is going to be facing this way. Make sure it's snug, properly snug. Insert the 3 bolts. Yeah, it's about to be AC season, so things like this will happen a lot. It'll go bad a lot. Okay, once we got all the 3 bolts, tying them up. What is that, 8? I think that's number 8. We're gonna tighten this. This is 8 bolts. So just control your pulse if you're gonna use impact tools. Tighten it enough to make it snug. Okay, there you go. Then we're gonna plug in the harness. Once it's plugged in, make sure that the harness is not sticking out or in the way. And what we'll do next is install the panel. Install the four-wheel drive control module, this little light, and also the TPMS module. That's the red one. After that, make sure that you plug it in correctly and it's properly aligned. Okay, and then put the one screw right here in the middle. Alright, there you go. Okay, now we're gonna test it out. Full blast it, see if it still make that noise. Alright guys, so this is how you replace the blower motor and the blower motor resistor on a 2008 Lexus GX470. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Write it down in the comment section. I hope that this video helped you guys determine if you could do the job or not, or at least gave you guys the knowledge and the confidence to actually work on it, because I'm pretty sure because it's fairly straightforward, and just follow the steps that I did and you won't miss it. So yeah, I hope that you get the job done today. And yeah, if you guys watch the entire videos, I appreciate y'all. So I'm gonna link the parts on my description if you guys are interested in buying them. Yeah, appreciate y'all for helping me out or even watching my video. It means a lot to me. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.